How to make reposts public on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically repost means posting other people's post in your feed. So that will be automatically public if your account is public. And now in order to make your account public, go to the menu bar and go to privacy. If this private account is not turned on, this means that your account is private. If not, if you want to make it public and make your repost public, simply make your whole account public and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.